Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel GR Compliance. I hope you all are doing well. So let's start with the quick introduction. My name is Laxmi from the team of GR Compliance. So today we are going to discuss about the BIS certification of potable water bottle, which is made by the aluminium, stainless steel and copper. This notification is issued by the DPIIT department on the 5th of July 2023, which is already mandatory from the 5th of Jan 2024. This certification is mandatory to view the human safety and ensuring the quality of the product. As we all are aware that without BIS certification, a manufacturer cannot manufacture their product and selling their product into the Indian market. And the same thing shall be applicable for the importer. If an importer importing their material from any of the country, they should be certified their product as per the Indian standard 17803. So let's check the eligibility of the BIS certification. Who is the eligible for the BIS certification? Only a manufacturer can get the BIS license. They have their own manufacturing facilities. They have their testing laboratory as per the Indian standard. If any of person who contravenes the provision of this order shall be punishable under the provision of the Bureau of Indian Standard Act 2016. So let's start the procedure of the BIS certification. What is the procedure to get the BIS certification from the BIS? Firstly, we need some basic document from the manufacturer end like GST, MSME certification, technical specification of the product, machinery list, testing equipment list, many etc. And after preparing all the documents, we will file their application into the BIS, into the BIS, and after scrutinize the application from the BIS, one of the officer will be nominated for the factory audit. Once the officer will be visit on the manufacturing unit, they will check all the testing parameters according to the Indian standard IS 17803. The basic equipments are calibrated jar, steel ball of appropriate mass, inclined panel, wood board and many etc. After getting the successful test report, the BIS will grant the BIS license. And after getting the license, the manufacturer is eligible to using the ISI mark on their product. I hope in this video you guys get all the relevant information regarding the BIS ISI mark certification. Please feel free to contact us on the below details, and also for the more information you can call us on the toll-free number as given below.